everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a haul and a walk through the Hobby Lobby. So first I'm going to show you the little area of the holiday walkthrough with Hobby Lobby. It is 50% off. They have it at 50% off today. And I mainly recorded all the ornaments that they had in the ornament aisle and swap here and there, and where they have the Grinch items, because the Grinch is very popular at the Hobby Lobby, and also a few little things there like the cookie jars and stuff. I mainly went for an ornament and I got out with many things. It happened just like the dollar store. But other than that, let's get through the walkthrough and enjoy. everything that I got either was 50% off or 75% off. All the fall items were 75% off. Some of them were also 50. But the ones I got were 75% off, and the holiday items, the Christmas ones, are 50. What is that white item here? Were 50% off. So with further ado, let's get started. I will show you the big items, which were 75% off, and I'll show you the receipts of the prices. Yes, fall was 75% off and Christmas was 50% off. Wow, yeah. So let's get started with that. I'll show you the big bag. They have nice bags as well. Look at this. So very merry. Hobby Lobby. Alright, so as you can see already, it's a fry. Look at this. It's a cow with some flowers. I did all my cows. My kitchen has cows, and I also did a haul here with you guys. All of them were either 75% off. The times that I got them were like cheap. $26.99, and I only got it for $6.99. I think. Let me see. Oh, let me flip it over. Let me see. Can you see the price? $26.99, and I barely saw this little thing when I was paying. I'm like, yeah, $26.99, and I got it for $6.75. Another cow. I needed another cow because I have a bull and 2 cows and a pig, so I needed another one. The other item that I got that it was fall is this like wreath kind of thing. Is that not a wreath? I'm sorry, a garland. Yes, a garland. It was $22.99 as well, and that one I got it for $5.75, and it's one of those pom-pom things, and it has the pumpkins, and look, it is this big. It is 72 inches, and I got it for that $5.75. I mainly got it for the Day of the Dead, my Day of the Dead. God dang it, I forgot. Altar. My Day of the Dead altar. Because it's orangey, and it looks like the little orangey cempasúchil flowers. You know what I mean? Yes. Okay, the next items are all Christmas. My main purpose of going there was to get an ornament. I got out with many other things. I got these items. These items, I bought them, but they're not for me. I actually bought them for my mother, my godmother, because my mother is going to Mexico, and I want to send her these things. Last year that I went in Christmas, I took her a Santa Claus, and today I want to send her these. They're soft. Look, soft, and the inside is probably just a stick. The feet are weighted, and to me it looks like a lady snowman and a guy snowman. So it's like my godmother and my godfather. Yay. These were $14.99, and of course these were 50% off. So the $14.99 were $7.50. So for the price of one, I got both. They're so cute. I almost got some for me, but I was like, Oh, look. His little belly is a little bigger than the mommy. He's so cute, though. They're so cute. Okay, that is that. The other items that I got are covered here. And I got this nutcracker. Now, this nutcracker is for my daughter's teacher. I've already gotten one that I also got it on 50% off way back then, but we only found one, and my daughter, I have 2 daughters, and my other daughter wanted one. And look it, there's the nutcracker. It's a little teacher. She has a little ruler. Her little skirt is velvet, and this thing. I don't know the purpose of that, but it has that. Her hair is a little bit messy, but we can fix that. She has like a half do kind of thing. Look at. You see? Cute. Cute. So I got that. I got that one. So now I have two, one for each of my daughters, which one is over there. And then I got these. These I got two of them because one is for me and then the other one is for my grandma. I'm going to send it to my grandma. Hopefully my mom can take it. Look at this. They're so cute. So I got two of them. But see, it's a little angel with baby Jesus. And I am very particular to how they look. So I looked through all of them to see if the baby Jesus look cute, if the angel look cute, and all their little garments look nice and cute. And I got two of them. I'm going to send those for them for my grandma. And I'm going to keep one because I like it so much. I'm going to keep one. And the last thing, and the only thing I had gone for was this ornament. Oh, my bad. These were $19.99 each. So for the price of one, I got both of them. Where is my receipt? Pretty sure that's what the price was. $19.99. Yeah, $10. $9.99 each. So the price of one, I got two. And then the purpose of going to the Hobby Lobby was this tiny little thing. I wanted the bluey ornament. This is bingo. And it was $10.99. So I got it for 50% of that, which I'm thinking is $4.99. $5.49. Christmas, $10.99. $5.50. $5.50. $5.49. It's the... I don't know why I say $4. This one is bluey. I did get that one. I had gone the other time when I got the other nutcracker and I had find bluey. But when I bought bluey, they did not have bingo. So that's the purpose I went to go get, because this is my bigger daughter and this is my smaller daughter or my younger daughter, and they love bluey. And the day I got this one, we didn't find this one. But now that I go get this one, they didn't have bluey. So now they're all complete. Look, it's so cute. They're expensive. For her, the price, $10.99. If you buy it regular price, it's expensive. But I got, again, two for the price of one. Yay. Isn't this cute? It's so cute. It's so cute. Yeah. So that is all. Yeah, that is all that I got at the Hobby Lobby. Go run to your Hobby Lobby before everything gets like sold out this weekend, because the next weekend comes Thanksgiving. Everything is going to shingle everywhere because they're just gonna buy. Yep. They had, what else did they have? They had big ornaments, like big bells. The signs were on sale, like everything, 100% off. 100% of the Christmas items were 50% off. So go get that one. The fall items on my store were a little bit scattered, not that much, but they were 75% off. And some of them were 50% off, more inclined towards the Thanksgiving, were 50% off. And the fall kind of pumpkin-y kind of that were 75% off. So run to your nearest Hobby Lobby. That is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the little walkthrough to the ornaments, and I pointed out some of the ornaments that I liked, and because of this I got all of that. But other than that, that is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching. Click if you haven't subscribed yet. Click subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Click on the comments below and tell me which of the ornaments that you saw you liked and that you're gonna go around and buy it if you have a Hobby Lobby. I know not all of the states have a Hobby Lobby, and I don't know if anywhere outside United States, like Canada or somewhere over there, they have the Hobby Lobby. But other than that, that is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye. This is my favorite bye. And the shadow doesn't give me justice. It's so cute. Oh, my daughters are gonna be ecstatic because look. Wait a minute. Haha! I got them the Bluey game, which I'm gonna play as well. But I got them the Bluey game. Yay! I got the Bluey game and the Bluey ornaments. And I have them a Bluey advent calendar, which it has a lot of like kind of like these things in there. So yes, that is all. I'll see you next time. Bye.